Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account health and app readiness. Make sure your channel has no active strikes and your phone is verified. That prevents feature blockages. Once done, update the YouTube app, clear its cache, and restart the device so settings refresh. Meanwhile, prepare vertical footage in 9:16 with duration under 60 seconds. Use at least 15 seconds for best visibility. Now open the Shorts camera. You're ready to attempt creation and re-enable the Shorts pipeline. You should focus on the precise upload flow. Record or upload your vertical clip in the Shorts camera, add music and captions, and make quick edits. This ensures YouTube recognizes it as a short. Make sure visibility is public, include the tag or hashtag Shorts, select correct category, and do not schedule as a premiere. If the app blocks short uploads, switch to desktop web upload or use incognito. That helps determine whether the problem is local or account level. Keep notes of error messages for the next step. You finish by confirming that processing completes, and the short appears in your feed and analytics within 24 to 48 hours. Delayed processing is common. If it never shows, gather screenshots and any error codes, then contact YouTube support or use the creator support form. Explain steps you took. As a final troubleshooting tip, re-encode or reformat the clip, or record a fresh short directly in the app and try a different device. That often isolates corrupt files or device-specific issues and gets short.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.